Welcome back. Now you'll also see on the right hand side that there is a three-dot menu. What we're going to do is we're going to click open this menu. And we have a number of choices inside of the menu. Many are familiar to you, such as the in private window or private browsing, the controls where you can zoom in, zoom out, and then favorites or bookmarks. One tool that you have available to you is to read aloud.
Worth it S5E5. $1 X vs $89 X Japan. BuzzFeed video. 5.4 M views 3 days ago. 226. Mean tweets, Music Edition 5. Jimmy Kimmel Live.
So as you can see, depending on which page you have, what you can do is you can have Edge to actually read the content to you. As you would with most browsers, you're going to have developer tools available to you. That means you can look at the code elements on the page, as well as getting a good idea on how much memory it takes to load this particular page. And as you might do in any other browser, you can also pin this particular page to your start menu. And you can make this page one of your tiles. And you'll see it in your start menu. And of course, you can then click the link. It will take you to the front page. And as is the case with other browsers, you can extend the capabilities by looking at the extensions. And you'll see some extensions available and suggested to you, which are very popular, or you can go to the same app store where we viewed the apps in other videos. And this time, instead of using the app search, we'll look at Edge extensions. And we can search those Edge extensions. And when you find one, all you'll need to do is to add it on using the Get button. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.